Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Chicken recipe with vegetables cooked in traditional tin. In this video you will see a recipe that is usually made in the villages. You will learn a different cooking technique in a tin and on a wood fire. I can tell you from the start, the fried chicken and the vegetables at the bottom were quite delicious. You will first watch the ingredients and the preparation of the food and then the cooking. 1 whole chicken. Ingredients for chicken sauce. 1 tomato. Liquid sunflower oil. Soy sauce. Mountain thyme. Red pepper. Salt, garlic, cumin, red pepper paste, mixed chicken spice. This spice is sold this way. It says it's for chicken. We tried, beautiful. Black pepper, garlic crusher apparatus, vegetables to be added to the bottom, eggplant potato, red pepper and green pepper, shallots, garlic, apparatus for cooking. There is a large bowl of thin steel at the bottom and an iron to place the chicken in the middle. Have large cylindrical tin and lid on available. You need an environment where you can light fire outside. Finally, wood is needed to cook chicken and pieces of wood. You can start with chicken sauce. Divide 1 tomato in half and grate. Add liquid sunflower oil. Add soy sauce. Add salt and spices. Add crushed garlic. Mix all ingredients completely. Create deep cuts with knife around the chicken. It is best to prepare the chicken this way for better cooking. Add the chicken to the sauce and mix it completely. You can do this process 1 day in advance. Chop the vegetables to be added to the bottom. cube shape or round shape can chop. Chop the eggplant and potatoes. One, chop the red pepper. Chop the green peppers. Add salt and vegetable flavor to the chopped ingredients. Stir. Add the vegetables to the cooking bowl. Add small onions. Add garlic. During cooking, the chicken's water will flow onto these vegetables and the flavors will merge. Place the chicken. Prepare a place to light fire on earth ground. The tin will be in the middle and there will be wood around. Detergent is applied to the outer surface of the can. This process is applied for easy washing in case of smoke heat outside the can. Place the can in the middle. The smoke must not enter into the can. Prepare to be airtight. You can cover the can with soil to prevent air. You can use dry wood pieces to burn fire. First, add dry bush-like material around the can. Place the chicken with vegetables and close the lid. Place the pieces of wood perpendicular around the can. Ignite pieces of wood with fire from 4 sides. fire around the kin and watch it burn. This is a relaxing moment. You can relieve all your stress. When the wood is completely burned, gather the embers around the tin. Check the cooking status of the chicken and add wood again. Add the board on the embers and wait for a while. It will burn easily. "80 minutes will be enough to cook in this way. Serve with rice, salad, buttermilk, or juice. Add healthy vegetables cooked with chicken broth. If the bone leaves the chicken in this way, it means that it is cooked without problems. We have come to the end of a video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye.